Hello everyone, Christina here with your quick command tip video of the week. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an email signature. So let's get started. All right, so first things first, we're going to open up Command. And once again, you can click on the red KW at the top to see the menu. We're going to go to Designs. When you get to Designs, we're going to click the blue plus sign at the bottom right of the screen and click Social and Next. So this is one of the ways you can create an email template, an email signature for your emails. You can also create email signatures through Scott Leroy Marketing's templates, or Canva. There's several different ways, but this is a really easy way to create one through our Command platform through Designs. So once we open this, we are going to go to Business Basics on the left side and then click Email Signatures. So it will pull up two different templates. You can get a closer look at them by just clicking download and then it'll open, or you can just click use and it'll open it up that way. I'm just going to do the first one, the white one. So I'm going to click use and then it's going to load the Design Center to have that pull up. So what's really great about using Designs is everything is super user-friendly. You can go in here and edit everything. If you already have your photo, your headshot uploaded into your marketing profile, then that will be available right here. If it's not, let me know. I can help you with that to get that into your system for you. But basically it's just, you click on it, on the picture, and then you hover over your picture, replace image. It drops your picture right in there. All of these are editable. So you just double click and type your name. You fill everything out the way you want it. Obviously, like this has overlapped. So what you would do to fix this, click out of it, and then it'll give you this option to pull it out and make it longer so that it looks correct on the screen. Keep in mind, it always has the KWDBA right here, just to remind you to put the KW logo on there for your market center. So over here on the left, you'll see logos, and you can, if you already have your logo in there, your KW logo, you can use that. I'm just gonna plop that in there real quick. And then I can delete the one the DBA one. There we go. And then I can just drop this over here. And then, just fill everything out accordingly. Once you're finished, you're going to click download at the top and start download. The great thing is also with using Command, it already has the verbiage here, each office independently owned and operated. So you're good to go on compliance. To get your app code, you can find that on your Scott Leroy Marketing Setup Complete email that you got sent, or you can also find it in your marketing profile through Command, which I can show you how to find that. Okay, so when you get back to your email, you're going to go, this is your KW email. You're going to click the settings wheel at the top here and click right here for see all settings. And then we're going to scroll down until we see signature. So I already have my signature created here. However, let's just create a new one to show you how to do this. So we're going to click create new, and you name the signature, create, and then you can put anything you want here. You can say thank you with your name or whatever you'd like to say. Best regards, have a great day. And then below that is where I'm going to attach that email signature picture that I just created. We're going to click this insert image. And then I'm going to upload because it just downloaded to my computer. So I'm going to click select a file from your device. And under downloads, this is the one that I just downloaded. So this will upload into here. Boom, it's right there. So you can resize it by clicking on it, select a different size. It obviously changes it, what size you'd like. I like the original size. It stays pretty, a larger size, and it's easier to read. And then just make sure that you have this selected right here under signature defaults for new emails. Choose which signature you're going to use. I'm going to change it to test signature for this example. And also on reply and forwarded emails, I still like my signature on all emails. You scroll down, click Save Changes. And now when we go to compose an email, you're going to see that email signature pop right up. There we are. So that is how you create an email signature in Command in Designs and then upload it into your email signature. If you ever have any questions, give me a call, and I'd love to schedule an appointment with you to help you on a one-on-one appointment with any questions you have about your KW technology. Have a great day.